down the Corporate Transparency Act in the very simplest way that I possibly can for the layman to just digest it and understand what it is, if they are responsible to follow this law. If so, what is their responsibility? And if they don't follow that responsibility, what will happen? So right now, we're going to talk about when your company has to report. If you are a reporting company, when do you have to file a report, and what happens if you do not report? And again, video 2 breaks down some of the terminology that I will use. So if you don't understand it, go back and look at video 2. So we know what the Corporate Transparency Act is from video 1 and video 2. And as of January 1st, 2024, all reporting companies that are not exempt, and we talked about the 23 exempt companies in video 3. If you're not an exempt company, you had to start filing your BOI reports electronically using FinCEN. If you don't know what BOI is and you don't know what FinCEN is, go look at the video where I break down the terminology of the words. All right, so you have to start filing your BOI reports using FinCEN, which is considered a secure filing system. You do it electronically. When you go on FinCEN site, it will give you 2 options. You can file it right there electronically in the system, or you will have a PDF that you're able to download that is actually a live PDF. So you can start entering the information, you can save it, you can also submit your information using that PDF, and if anything ever changes, you can go right back and use that same PDF to make those changes and to submit it through there. You do this by going to fincen.gov. That's www.fincen.gov. Make sure you're on the right website. We know when anything rolls out, there's always these crooked people out there to just scam everything. But you go to fincen.gov and you can do those 2 steps. Again, if you created or registered your business before January 2024, you will have into January 2025 in order to report. So as of 2024, this requirement rolled out. When this requirement rolled out, there are different deadlines for reporting companies to report. If you are a reporting company that has created or registered your business before January 1st, 2024, you will have into January 2025 to file your report. If your company was created on or after January 1st, 2024, you had 90, and you still do, you have 90 calendar days after receiving notice that your company registration is effective or that it was created. You have 90 days from that time to report your information, your BOI information. If your company is going to be formed January 1st, 2025, so this doesn't apply yet, but if you're going to form your company January 1st, 2025, then from there on, you will have 30 calendar days from actual or public notice that the company's creation or registration is effective. Once that happens, you have to file your BOI. So again, let's look at those dates. If you have filed or created or registered your business before January 1, 2024, you will have until January 1, 2025 to file your report. If your company was created on or after January 1st, 2024, you will have 90 calendar days after you receive notice that the company's creation or registration is effective to file the BOI. Or if the Secretary of State or similar office provides public notice. So you receive this information, that could be one way, but also if the Secretary of State has sent out official public notice of the creation or registration, because they do send that out.